students, I hope you all are fine and doing your preparation nicely for the upcoming examination. I hope you all have enjoyed Durga Puja very nicely and uh, you all have taken care of yourself also. So today, my dear, after little bit duration, now again we are going to begin with a new chapter. Okay, till the last chapter, that is multiples and factors, we have already completed chapter number 8. Today we are going to start chapter 9. Okay, we are going to start chapter 9. So I hope, my dear, in the last whatever we have completed, in that you have not faced any problem. All the things, all the points I have already explained you very nicely. I think that you have also completed the chapter very nicely without facing any problem. Now we have to begin with the new chapter, that is HCF, the highest common factor. We are going to discuss today the highest common factor. Let's begin. Yes. So this is the chapter, highest common factor. So maybe the thing is arising in your mind, that means what is highest common factor? First, highest means the biggest one, isn't it? The highest. Okay, which is the highest. Common means which is same. That is common. Factor we are already knowing. Okay, the number which is completely divisible without leaving a remainder. Remainder should be 0. It is called as its factor. So till here it is complete, I think. Now let's move on. Then we will understand in a better way what is this HCF means. So you can see, if two or more numbers have the same number as their factor, those factors are called as common factor. First, what is common factor is defined. Common factors are those factors if two or more numbers are given and you are finding the factors of those numbers. Like suppose, giving an example, suppose 3 is one of the number. Here you may be not. See, 3 is one of the number, and suppose 8 is one of the number. Okay, suppose 3 is one of the number and suppose 6 is one of the number. Two numbers we have taken. Now, factors of 3 will be 1 and 3, whereas the factor of 6 will be 1, 3, 2 and 6. What is the common factor in them? 3. Obviously 3. So that 3 is only the highest factor, my dear. That 3 only will be considered as the highest factor. Because you have to compare in both. It doesn't matter that means 6 is also the highest. Now, so means how you are telling that 3 is the highest. But the common is 3 na, in both. That is that will only become the highest. Okay? Let's see. Yes, like you can see here, example which is given in that, find the HCF of 15 and 25. These two numbers are given. You have to find the HCF of these two numbers. How we used to find the HCF of these two numbers? How we will find? Just find all the factors of the given number. All the factors. Factors you are already knowing. Now, identify the common factors. First, we have to find the factors. So, what I have did, just see. I have written number as I have made the column. You know, no need to make the column like this, but just for example, for making the work easier and for you only, I have made the column. So you can see in this column that 15 is written and then 25 I have written. I have find the pairs of the factor. What are the factors of these? Okay, so 1, 15, 3, 5, all these factors of 15. 25, 1, 25, 5, all these factors of 25. After that, like 1, 3, 5 and 15 are factors and there 1, 5 and 25 is the factor, isn't it? So 4 factors of 15 we have got and 3 factors of 25 we have got. But we have to find out the highest common factor, that is the HCF. So how you will find? You have to see by comparing both the factors that which is the highest common factor in that. So which is the highest common factor you are seeing? 5, obviously 5 you are seeing. So this 5 here, okay, this 5 here will become the highest common factor. You can see downside I have written common factor of 15 and 25 is 1 and 5. Okay, and the highest common factor of these two is 5. The highest common factor of these two is 5. Okay, see it is written here. The highest common factor is 5. Common factor is 1 and 5 both. If only common factor we are finding out, both are common factor. But which is the highest? Which number is having the highest value? So that's 5. The highest value number will be put as the highest common factor. Okay? Yes. One more point is written. You can see it is highlighted with red. The highest common factor, HCF, is the largest common factor that two or more numbers have. The highest common factor is that factor which is the highest factor, okay, which is the biggest number in two or more factors. Whatever the number is given, you are finding the factor. In those factors, which is the highest common factor, which is the number which is having the highest value, that is called as the HCF, highest common factor. Okay. See, as you can see in this also, that find the factors of 6, 12 and 18. There are 3 numbers I have taken this time. That time 15 and 25, there I have taken 3 numbers. First I have written all the numbers, 6, 12 and 18. Then I have find the factors, okay, like 1, 6, 2, 3, okay, are the factors of 6. In the same way, factors of 12, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4, all the factors of 12. In the same way, 18. So 1, 18, 2, 9 and 3, 6. These all are the factors of 18. So one by one I have find out the factors, all the factors. After finding the factors, what I did, I have written all the factors separately. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 12. 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Written all. After that, I will take out the common factors of all 3. All 3 we have to compare this time. It is not like that 2. If 3 are given, the all 3 we have to compare and see. Their common should be between all 3. It is not like that in 2 we are getting this and in 3rd we are not getting that. That is not common. Okay. In all the 3 it should be there. Like 1 is there in all the 3 factors. 2 is also there in all the 3 factors. You can see 2 is also there. 3 is also there in all the 3. Here. 6 is also there. Yes, 6 is also there. Now, is there any more factor? Any more? No, it is not. So, whatever the common factor which you have got, that common factors you will write separately. Okay. That common factor you will write separately. Like 1, 2, 3, 6. That is the common factor. Now, the point here is that we have to find the highest common factor. Factors we have found. The common factor, but the highest common factor, which is the highest, 1, 2, 3 or 6? 6 is the highest common factor. 6 is having the highest value in comparison to other numbers, so that 6 is only considered as the HCF, the highest common factor. Okay. See, 1 is the common factor for all the numbers. Okay, if you are thinking that means 1, then 1 we have already discussed, okay, in factors and multiples, that 1 is the common factor for all the numbers. Okay. Like in the same way, you can see here also I find the highest common factor, the greatest common divisor. Okay, the highest common factor is also called as the greatest common divisor. Please don't forget, the highest common factor is also called as the greatest common divisor. Okay, so like 8 and 12 is written, you have to find the factors. So for finding the factors, first you will divide 8 and then you will divide 12. Separately you will divide. You will see how many factors you are getting, with which 8 is completely divisible and with which 12 is completely divisible. Like 1, 2, 4 and 8, all are the factors of 8. In the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. These are the factors which we have got of 8 and 12. Okay, these are the factors. Now the common factors. The common factors in both. Common factors can be 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 4. Now no common factor is there. Only these 3, 1, 2 and 4. Now in these, the common which you have first find out and which you have written separately. From that common factor, you find the highest common factor, the number which is having the highest value. So which number is having the highest value? 4. So that 4 you will write as the highest. If it is being asked write the HCF of 8 and 12, then 4 is the HCF of 8 and 12. HCF we generally used to find out, okay, by just seeing the factors of a given number, and it will be mostly two numbers will be given to you. Okay, if only one number is given to you, so in that there will be no comparison. Okay, there will be no comparison. So common factor means maybe two or more numbers will be given to you, and then in that you have to find the factors of all the numbers, and in that factors you have to find the common factor. Okay, and that common factor cannot be the lowest, it should be the highest common factor. Okay, the highest number, the number which is having the highest value, that number you have to pick from the common, and that will become the HCF of the particular given number. Okay. So that is all, my dear. I hope you all have understood what is HCF. HCF is much easier than factors and multiples, I think, because in factors we were dividing and then we are getting that number is completely divisible or not. Is that number in that table is coming in or not, or is it is not coming. So like this we are finding the factor. But in HCF, it's very easy. If we are knowing how to find the factors, it will be easier for us to find the HCF, the highest common factor. If we are not knowing how to find the factor, it will be very difficult for us to find the highest common factor. Okay, you go through the examples which I have given. Okay, how to find the highest common factor. Okay, and then you will do the exercise according to that. That is all for today, my dear. Hope you all have watched the video nicely and understood everything whatever I have explained. Okay, if still facing any problem, you come with your query in the online classes. We will discuss together. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.